Hi, everyone. Welcome for science. We are going to be starting to talk about weather. So, our learning target today says we can explain what weather is. So, we're going to really be looking at the word explain. Take a moment and think, what do you think explain means? Right. Explain means to tell, to talk about, to give your information that you've learned to others so that you can teach them. All right, let's get started. So, we're going to read a book called What is Weather so we can learn more about it. What is weather? Weather is a combination of sunlight, clouds, rain, wind, snow, and temperature. There are many different types of weather. Different places in the world have different types of weather. We observe weather using our senses, which we learned about a couple weeks ago. We see sunlight, rain, snow, or clouds. Touch your eyes. That's what we see with. We hear raindrops fall, wind blows, or thunder rumble. Touch your ears. That's what we hear with. We feel hot or cold when the temperatures outside goes up or down. Feel your skin. When things touch your skin, that's how we feel. We feel wet rain or cold snow. We feel wind blow against our skin. You may not realize it, but weather is very important. It controls how we live and many things that we do. We cannot control the weather. Sometimes we enjoy the weather, and sometimes it makes things difficult for us. Weather is the combination of sunlight, clouds, rain, wind, snow, and temperature. Weather is all around us. Now, what do you think weather is? Right? You might be thinking out loud that it's the temperature or how hot or cold it is. You might be thinking of it snowy or cloudy or sunny. Awesome. All right, we are going to work on which weather word. So you can either watch this through and then do your weather worksheet that you picked up, or you can follow along with it. So we're going to be talking about different weather words. The first one that you have on your paper is a sun. Everyone say sun. Right. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture of the sun. If you look at this picture, we see that it's a circle, it's shining bright. I noticed that it's kind of yellow because it's bright. And then we can trace over and spell the word sun. Awesome. If you need to pause the video to let us so you can finish coloring, then that is okay. All right, the next word, which weather word do you think would go with this one? Right, cloud. We see a cloud. We see that they're fluffy, they're white. Sometimes they might be a little gray if it's going to rain. Very good. So you can draw a picture of a cloud and trace the word. Good job. All right, let's get ready for our next one. Which weather word goes with this one? Right, the rain. The rain. We see she looks like she's having so much fun playing in the rain. We see the water falling on her, so you could draw some blue water droplets falling. She looks like she's having fun. Sometimes rain can be so much fun to play with and play in. Awesome. All right, let's get ready for our next one. Which weather word do you think this represents? Right, it's the wind. We see that the wind is blowing. Sometimes people might show the wind with these like squiggles to show that the wind is blowing something in the air. So yeah, that is wind. So go ahead and write the word wind if you are using your worksheet. Good job. Wind. All right, let's look at our next one. Which weather word goes with this one? It's snow. We see that snow is white, can be fluffy. We see that the boy is playing in like the flurries. We don't get a lot of snow here, but when we do, it's nice and pretty. Now I know it might be hard to show a white crayon on your paper. So if you wanted to do white and blue, because sometimes ice goes with snow. Alrighty, let's see. Which weather word is this? Well, this one was a little hard. This is the temperature. So we see in this picture, this boy is all bundled up. So he's probably cold. And in this one, this temperature, the boy looks hot. Like he's been running around. He's a little sweaty. So we're talking about the temperature. The temperature. So you could draw maybe a snowflake. You could draw a snowflake. And maybe you could draw something that's really hot like the sun, to help represent those different the word temperature. And then you're going to trace it at the bottom. Awesome job. Well, that ends our lesson today to talk about what do you think weather is and talking about our weather words. So if you haven't already done your weather worksheet, go ahead and work on that. If you did it as we moved along, great job. And I can't wait to see what else we can learn about weather. Have a great day.